Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SuperfunEnglish. Today I will show you step-by-step guide about how to introduce CVC words to children. Before I move ahead, it's a request, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get the future updates. Let's get started. First, let me give you the idea of CVC word. What is CVC word? CVC words are three-letter words, one consonant, one vowel, and after that another consonant. CVC. So the words like cat, mat, mop, bun, bed, fan. These are all CVC words. Next, why it is necessary to teach CVC words to children? CVC words are very easy to read, and this is the first thing we introduce to children once they have very strong phonemic awareness. If you don't know how to introduce phonemic awareness to kids, I have made a separate video on this topic. I will share the link on the I button or in the description box. Please check out. Step 1 is warm-up. Here the purpose is to check their phonemic awareness. So we will give them individual letter sounds and we will check their phonemic awareness. Here I have given few sounds like b, p, I, n, g, f. So once they pronounce them one by one, we will check whether they are ready with the phonemic awareness or not. Then we will move to the step 2. Step 2, we will give them two-letter words. Here the segmenting and blending comes in the picture. So if you don't know how to introduce segmenting and blending, I have made a separate video on this topic. I will share the link in the I buttons. Here I have given them I, in, a, d, ad, a, am, a, d, at. Like this way they will learn to blend two letters. Next, they already know the two-letter words, so before them we will put one consonant. Like, what is this? First we will show them the picture. This is a picture of bin and we have written b, I, n. What is this? This is a picture of fin, f, I, n. This is a picture of pin. So this is p, I, n. So this way, this is step 3 where we give them picture and their spelling together. So this way, step by step, we will go ahead. Next is ham, ham, jam. So this way, give them a guided reading where they look at the picture and they break the each individual letter sound and they learn to read. Once they learn to read how to CVC words, I will add one more challenge. So see, this is an activity where I have given them a little bit challenge. Why this challenge? See, the first letter is missing. So here I have used plastic alphabets which you will get easily from the market. So first activity is I have given them the first letter missing, then the last sound missing, then the middle sound missing. So this way you can give them some activity, but please give them with the guided one with the pictures. Next step is the matching step where again we are giving them the guided one, the picture and the sound, that three-letter words. So here they will read all the three-lettered words like p, I, n, pin, l, g, log, l, I, p, leap, d, g, dog, and they will match one by one. So here we have matched the pin with pin, then log, lip, and then last dog. So here we have again given them the guided activities where they are matching the pictures with the three-letter CVC words and they are learning to read the CVC words. The next worksheet you can see here I have given in the below box. We have given all the CVC words together and they have to pick those words and they have to match. See, the first picture is a dog. So they have to read all the letters and they have to find the dog and they have to match. So here are the steps to introduce the CVC words. The step 1 is a warm-up where we are checking their phonemic awareness. Then we are giving them the two-letter words like at, in, and then we are giving them the missing sound, like the first sound missing, middle sound missing, the last sound missing. Step 4, we are giving them the matching activities where they are doing the matching with the picture and with the CVC words. And step 5, we are giving them the guided worksheet where all the CVC words are given in the box and they have to read those words and match with their picture. So this is a step-by-step guide to introduce CVC words to kids. Hope you have find it useful. Please try it out with the kids and do let me know how it works. Be patient and go step by step so they get enough time to practice each and every step repeatedly. The repetition works wonder with the children. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.